Good morning students, welcome to the English online class. Today we will begin with our new chapter, a fact file that is in our literature book English Spring. In fact, we won't just begin with it, we will end it today only, okay, because we have already learned this chapter in our Zoom class also. So I have already told you that facts can be regarding anything. It can be regarding a place also, it can be regarding any animal also, it can be regarding any bird also, it can be regarding any person or a subject also, or a particular topic also, about anything. But today we are studying about the facts of giraffe, okay. As I told that it can be about an animal also, so of course giraffe is an animal, and today we will learn about the facts of giraffe, okay. So let's move on. Okay, so let's get introduced to the giraffe. The name giraffe originates from the Arabic word zarafa, which when translated means fast walkers. Okay, so giraffe जो word है वो Arabic language से लिया गया है. Arabic word है zarafa, उससे लिया गया है, जिसका meaning होता है fast walker, यानी कि तेज चलने वाला. Okay, it was also known as camelopard because of its camel-like shape and its leopard-like coloring. Giraffe have many impressive features that make them unique. Okay, so now giraffe is also known as camelopard. Giraffe, why giraffe is known as camelopard? Camel plus leopard is equals to camelopard because its shape is like the camel and its skin is like a leopard. Okay, that's why it is known as camelopard. Okay, and giraffe is also having many impressive features which makes them unique from any other animal. How is the appearance of the giraffe now? Giraffe are the tallest land animals in the world. They are the tallest land animals in the world. सबसे tallest animals जो हैं वही हैं पूरे अर्थ पर. It has a very long neck which allows it to reach the vegetation that are very high. Okay. Now जो neck जो है जिराफ की, आपने जिराफ की पिक्चर देखी होगी, इनफैक्ट आपने अभी इंट्रोडक्शन में भी देखी होगी कि जिराफ की जो नेक है वो कितनी लंबी होती है, जिससे वो खुद की हेल्प कर सकता है मतलब वेजिटेशन तक और जो भी प्लांट्स वगैरह होते हैं, ट्रीज़ वगैरह होते हैं, उन तक पहुंचने में. Giraffe has a short body, long and thin straight legs and a long tail that has a black tuft of hair at its tip that helps to keep flies away. Okay. Now giraffe has a short body. If we measure its stomach and back, so we can see that it has a short body and it is also having long and thin straight legs. Usually long and thin straight things get broken very easily, but giraffe is having long and thin straight legs that also helps it to defend itself when any hunter or when any other animal is attacking it. Okay, that has a black tuft of hair. Okay, now it is also having a long tail that is having a black tuft of hair, okay, which helps to keep the flies away. You would have seen that sort of tail in the cows also. Okay, usually they are white in color with brown or reddish markings that cover its body, but their lower legs are not white. This is known as camouflage. Okay, now usually they are white in color. Giraffes are usually white in color and they are having reddish brown markings on their body. Now these markings are different for each giraffe. Size may vary, shade may vary, it can be dark or it can be light, and shape may also vary, but these reddish brown markings are on each giraffe. They are different in some way or another, okay, but not that much of difference is there. Okay, these reddish brown markings are different for each giraffe. Weight of a male giraffe is 1200 kg and weight of a female giraffe is 830 kg. Okay, now weight of a male giraffe is 1200 kg and weight of a female giraffe is 830 kg. Now the weight that I told you about, it is the minimum weight. The maximum can be 1300 also, it can be 1400 also, and of a female it can be 900 also, it can be 1000 also, it can be equal to the average weight of the male also. Now let's have a look at the habitat. Where do they live? Sub-Saharan Africa, especially in the national parks, the Murchison Falls National Park, Uganda has more than 1500 giraffes. Okay, they mostly live in Sub-Saharan Africa and especially in the national parks. What are the famous national parks for giraffe? Murchison Falls National Park, which is in Uganda and it is having more than 1500 giraffes. Etosha National Park, which is in Namibia. Kruger National Park in South Africa. Serengeti National Park, Tanzania. Serengeti National Park is in Tanzania. and it is having 40 giraffe. We can see 40 giraffes at a time in a group. Okay. Masai Mara National Park, Kenya, which has suffered huge losses of giraffe population, giraffe like open woodlands. Okay. Now Masai Mara National Park is in Kenya, and only this national park has suffered so much of loss of the giraffe. Okay. And giraffe like open woodlands. I hope that you all have well understood what are woodlands. We have already discussed this thing in our live classes. Behavior and lifestyle. They spend a great deal of time eating during the cooler parts of the day, morning and evening. Okay. They rest in shaded regions during midday when it is hot. They sleep just for 10 minutes or maximum 2 hours. They roam over large areas, bump heads and interlock their necks with the opposing male. Female roam around in small herds with the young one. Okay, now they spend a great deal of time eating during the cooler parts of the day. They eat only in morning and in evening. Okay, they are not eating when it is afternoon, or they are not eating when the environment is very hot or when the climate is very hot, and they are spending their time in the shady regions when there is the full sun in the sky, and when there is so much of hot outside. Then what are they doing? They are spending their time in the shaded regions. Okay. Now their sleep requirements are very less. They sleep just for 10 minutes to 2 hours, not more than that. Okay, and that is enough for them. They roam over large areas, bump heads and interlock their necks with the opposing male. Okay, now males do this thing. They roam over in the large areas, in the large fields, and bump heads. They are beating another giraffe from their head only. Okay, and they are interlocking their neck. This is the way of interlocking. Okay, for example, these two hands are the neck of the giraffe and they are interlocking it with each other. Okay, and this is their way of fighting with each other. Female roam around in small herds with the young one. Okay, now female roam around in the small herds where there are small valleys or where there are the lower mountains. They are spending their times on that place only. Communication. How do giraffes communicate? How do they convey something to their fellow friends? Giraffes are not noisy animals. They communicate with sounds in certain situations. They have the ability to whistle when they are at long distances. Their sounds are not pleasant and are similar to cow but sharper than it. Straight neck, head upright or holding the head and ears down is preferred more by giraffes for non-verbal communication. Okay, now giraffes are not noisy animals. वो शोर नहीं मचाते हैं, लेकिन सर्टेन सिचुएशंस में कभी कभी जो हैं वो क्या करते हैं, साउंड से बातें करते हैं. कुछ साउंड्स वो निकालते हैं जिसके थ्रू वो बातें करते हैं. उनके साउंड्स दूर तक पहुंचते हैं और उनके फेलोज़ को जो है वो उनकी आवाज़ें सुनाई दे जाती है और उनका मैसेज उन तक पहुंच जाता है. ओके, और उनका जो साउंड जो होता है वो काऊ से सिमिलर होता है लेकिन सुनने में बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं होता है. अब अगर हम उनकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज की बात करें, किस तरीके से वो अपनी बॉडी लैंग्वेज के थ्रू बात करते हैं, तो उनका जो नेक है वो बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट रहता है. कभी कभी वो अपना हेड बिल्कुल ऐसे अपराइट रखते हैं, ठीक है, और कभी कभी वो अपना हेड बिल्कुल ऐसे नीचे झुका लेते हैं और उनकी जो ईयर्स हैं वो भी इस तरीके से नीचे हो जाते हैं, वो झुका लेते हैं अपने ईयर्स को, और ये उनका बात करने का तरीका होता है. ये नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन है. ओके, अब उनका डाइट क्या है, वो क्या खाते हैं. Giraffe is a herbivorous animal, of course. They eat trees only, they eat plants only. They eat from the higher branches of the tree. They eat up 60 different species of plants throughout the year. They eat up 60 different species of the plants throughout the year. Okay. They eat acacia trees also, wild apricots, flowers, fruits, birds, seeds and fresh grass that grows after the rainy season. Okay, and they do not need so much of water because they get 70% of moisture from the food they eat. So that's why they do not need that much of water. Okay, threats. What are the threats to giraffe? किससे खतरा है giraffe को? Lions, leopards, hyenas and wild dogs are the biggest threat to the giraffes, but giraffes kick their attacker with heavy feet to defend themselves. Okay, now lions, leopards, hyenas, wild dogs are the biggest threat to the giraffes. ये कुछ ऐसे एनिमल्स हैं जिनसे जिराफ को खतरा है. इनफैक्ट कोई भी वाइल्ड एनिमल हो उससे जिराफ को खतरा ही है. ओके, बट मैंने अभी भी आपको बताया दैट दो जिराफ इज हैविंग लॉन्ग थिन एंड स्ट्रेट लेग्स एंड यूजुअली लॉन्ग थिन एंड स्ट्रेट थिंग्स गेट ब्रोकन अप, बट the legs of giraffes are very very powerful that they kick their attacker with their heavy feet and they defend themselves like this. Okay, so they are illegally hunted by the humans. They are illegally hunted also. गैर कानूनी तौर पर जो वो हैं हंट भी किए जाते हैं, उनका शिकार भी होता है. Also 50% calves do not survive because they are unable to protect them. Okay, now 50% calves means young ones of the giraffe. Okay, now they do not survive because the giraffes are unable to protect their young ones. Okay, now let's talk about conservation, that how can we conserve the giraffe, what challenges do we face, but what can we still do to conserve the giraffe. Okay, so now growth of a human population, increased agricultural activities, roads construction are the reasons that giraffe is losing their favorite acacia trees, which are its main source of food. Okay, see now what are the challenges that we are facing when we want to conserve or when we talk about conserving the giraffe. Okay, human population, growth of the human population, increased agricultural activity, roads construction, okay, and other activities. ये जो भी एक्टिविटीज़ होती हैं ये क्या कर रही हैं, एकेशिया ट्रीज़ जो हैं उनको ख़त्म कर रही हैं, जो कि जिराफ का फेवरेट फूड है. ओके, और ये बड़े बड़े जो फॉरेस्ट होते हैं उनको उजाड़ रही है, बिकॉज अगर फॉरेस्ट नहीं होंगे तो जिराफ रहेंगे कहाँ पर. ओके, सो नंबर ऑफ जिराफ्स आर श्रिंकिंग एज देयर हैबिटेट श्रिंक्स. ओके, अब बहुत सारे जो जिराफ्स हैं वो श्रिंक हो रहे हैं, यानी कि एक्सटिंक्ट हो रहे हैं, गायब हो रहे हैं, बच ही नहीं रहे हैं, क्योंकि उनकी जो हैबिटेट्स हैं वो भी नहीं बच रही हैं. तो जब उनके पास में रहने को घर ही नहीं होगा तो वो उस जगह पे दिखाई नहीं देंगे जहाँ पर पहले दिखाई देते थे. जिराफ्स आर हंटेड फॉर देयर मीट एंड हाईली प्राइस्ड टेल्स. ओके, नाउ जिराफ का जो मीट होता है, उसका जो स्किन होता है वो मतलब काफ़ी हाई प्राइस का होता है, उसकी जो टेल भी होती है वो भी काफ़ी हाई प्राइस की होती है, और इसके लिए उनका जो शिकार है वो किया जाता है. अब सॉल्यूशंस क्या है, हम क्या कर सकते हैं जिराफ को कंजर्व करने के लिए. Local communities can be educated to practice agricultural activities without affecting the habitat of giraffes. Of course this can happen. अगर हम local communities को educate करें, अगर हम उनको ये सिखाएं, ये समझाएं कि आप बिना किसी ट्री को हार्म के भी अपनी एग्रीकल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़ को जो है मतलब कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो, तो एकेशिया ट्रीज़ जो हैं वो बचाए जा सकते हैं. रिफॉरेस्टेशन इज़ ऑल्सो गुड ऑल्टरनेटिव. तो जहाँ पर ऑलरेडी डिफॉरेस्टेशन हो चुका है वहाँ पर रिफॉरेस्टेशन हो सकता है ना. जहाँ पर ऑलरेडी पहले फॉरेस्ट था और वहाँ पे पेड़ काट दिए गए तो वहाँ पे और पेड़ लगाए जा सकते हैं. ओके, अदर फैक्ट्स. जिराफ इज़ द नेशनल एनिमल ऑफ तंजानिया. तंजानिया का नेशनल एनिमल है जिराफ, जहाँ पर मसाई मारा नेशनल पार्क है ना. वाइल्ड जिराफ्स ओनली लिव इन अफ्रीका इन द साउथ ऑफ द सहारा डेजर्ट. वाइल्ड जिराफ सिर्फ अफ्रीका में रहते हैं, सहारा डेजर्ट के साउथ रीजन में वो रहते हैं. जिराफ्स डू नॉट हैव हॉर्न, दे हैव ईयर्स, दे हैव स्किन कवर्ड बोन्स दैट आर अटैच्ड टू देयर स्कल्स. ओके, अब उनका जो स्किन जो होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा थिक होता है, जिससे मतलब कोई कांटा वगैरह भी उनको चुभे तो वो उनको नुकसान नहीं करेगा. अगर कोई एनिमल उनको हंट करता है, अगर कोई एनिमल उनको मारता है तो वो अलग बात है, बट यूजुअली कोई कांटा वगैरह भी उनको नहीं चुभ सकता है. इवन नॉट अ थॉर्न कैन हर्ट दैम. Okay, so they have this thick skin. Giraffes are tallest animals in the world, equal to the height of 3 men standing on each other. Now you can think and now you can comprehend it how tall the giraffe is. If we make 3 men stand on each other, 1, 2, 3, this long the neck of the giraffe is. Giraffes' neck have same number of bones as people. Humans have 206 bones, so the neck of giraffe is also having 206 bones. Only its neck is having 206 bones. A baby giraffe can walk within 10 minutes of its birth and it's 6 feet tall. A baby giraffe can walk within 10 minutes of its birth. Okay. Okapi is the only animal which is similar to giraffe. Okapi lives near Congo river in Central Africa. ओकापी ही एक ऐसा एनिमल है जो थोड़ा सिमिलर होता है, जो थोड़ा जिराफ के जैसा दिखता है, और वो कहाँ पर रहता है, वो कॉन्गो रिवर पर रहता है जो कि सेंट्रल अफ्रीका में है. ओके, ओके, सो हेयर आई हैव मेंशन सम ऑफ द पिक्चर्स फॉर यू टू introduce you about the difficult words and about the animals that we talked about. Woodland. This is the woodland. Okay, now the trees are very high and the land is seeming lower, so these are known as woodland. Now who are the threats to the giraffe? Lion, hyenas and leopard. And then we talked about okapi. Okay, we talked about okapi, so it is okapi, okay, which lives near the Congo river in Central Africa. This is okapi, okay, and this is woodland. Lion, hyenas, this is something new for you, I think, so I am mentioning it here. Hyenas and leopard. Okay, so I hope that you have well understood about the lifestyle of giraffe, about the behavior of giraffe, about the habitats and the conservation, and about the challenges that the conservation face regarding giraffe. And we have already learned this thing in our Zoom classes also. So I request you all that you please watch this video over and over again, and if you have any confusion, let me know. Till that, thank you very much and have a great day ahead.